So today we are going to draw a candle. Okay, so what you have to do, just draw a curved line like this. Okay, curve, and then from this curve just draw the shape like this, the molten wax. Okay, and now what you have to do, just you can use scale also, okay, to draw this. If you want, you can use your scale ruler. Just draw two lines and straight line. Okay, it should be straight, and then you have to curve it from here. Okay, curve line, and always draw light, and always hold your pencil with a gap. Okay, don't forget this. Then one curve line from here, one curve line from here, again one curve line from here, and one curve line from here. It's curve line. Okay, curve, curve. Then draw two lines from here, and then what you have to do, just draw the fire shape like this, and then just draw circle. Okay, so it's very easy. Then what you have to do, just take your eraser and make the drawing light. Okay, just make your drawing lighter, and then what you have to do, just take your orange color. Okay, it's an orange color, and just draw the outline first. Okay, with the orange, just do the orange color here, and then just make the medium yellow. Okay, it's a medium yellow, just do the medium yellow here. Okay, then just do the medium yellow till here. Then try to use deep yellow. Okay, just take your deep yellow and do the deep yellow here. Okay, the top. Then just take your primary red. Okay, just take your primary red and do the primary red in the top like this. It's a primary red. Okay, this much. Then just take your black color or glass marker, whatever you want. Just do the thread. Okay, like this, and then just take your brilliant blue. Okay, just take your brilliant blue D021. Okay, and do some brilliant blue here and some brilliant blue here. It's a blue flame. Okay, now what you have to do, just take your orange color and do the orange here. Okay, properly. Okay, do the orange properly. And then what you have to do, just take your scarlet color. Okay, just take your scarlet color and do the scarlet here like a border. Okay, like a border, just do it. Okay, and then with the black glass marker, just do the border here like this, and then just take your medium yellow or lemon yellow, anyone, and then fill the only this design. Okay, only fill this design. just fill the design, okay. And then just take your any yellow color or orange color. Just take your orange color and try to fill it, okay. Then red color, properly, okay, do it properly. Then use again orange color, okay, it's a orange color. Properly, okay, no white dots can be seen properly. And then again scarlet, okay, one by one color you have to fill. Scarlet, scarlet color, scarlet number is D393. Just fill it properly, okay, and do it slowly. Colors should not go outside, okay. Okay, now what you have to do, just take your glass marker and do the border, okay. Just do one by one. Okay, this is your candle is ready, okay. Like this you have to make the candle.